Hey friends, today we present to you a fantastic pre-owned boat. It's a Crownline 275 CCR, model year 2009. The boat has been very well maintained. It's very sleeky. So compared to the Cruiser series, they have a lower center of gravity, so all the performance will be much more sporty. The boat looks sleekier than the full Cruiser, but we still have the opportunity to overnight. You can see that the anchor is on polished stainless steel. You can see still that it's shiny boat. Yeah, so one thing, it's the quality of a Crownline boat, and the next thing is the boat has been well maintained. She comes fitted with a Mercury V8 5.7 liters, the 350 Magnum, 300 horsepower injection. It's a very well contrasted. It's an engine you can trust in it. Yeah, we can have a lounge area when we enter. Here we have the table, we can sit around the table. These backrests we can put to the front, and we have a large sunbed. You will see later on the pictures. We have here on the Navi a Garmin, 7 inches Garmin, full instrumentation. We have the cabin here. So in the cabin you can see we have a dinette. The table comes down and you can form bed. We have a small kitchenette area here with a microwave, a sink and a fridge. Yeah. So the access to the bow area is quite easy. We just close the door, yeah, and we go upstairs. It's quite easy, quite comfortable. New foredeck sandpit, new from 2020. Yeah, so here we have the access to the windlass if we have to control. And I think from here you have a better view of the space you can get on the boat, yeah, on the cockpit area. Transition is quite easy. As you can see, I'm not stopping filming and I can go down. We enter into the cabin, in order you can see. Yeah. So we have a TV on the front. We have a small wardrobe here in the area. And quite special, we have an enclosed head cabin with a marine WC, electrical flush toilet, and we have a sink as well. So this is a fantastic boat. If you are looking for a sport cruiser to go out, have fun with your family, with your kids, having water sports, but at the same time you want something to overnight on it, this may be your perfect boat. So don't hesitate and contact us.